Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with 3 trades. I did the Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar and the Euro Aussie. Today's date is August the 10th. Took a bit of time to complete, but once it was completed, I finished with 3 successful trades. Today I was trading with the Master Trigger. It's my newest addition to the trigger family. It's this one right here, Master Trigger. There's 4 templates that it comes with. Made my trading easy today with a combination of using the meter here. Now in this Euro Dollar, this is a really good example of a great way to trade. Now I usually leave it on the 15 minutes, but on this particular one, I took a quick look at the 30 minutes just to see what it looked like. And this looks really clear that the trend is going down. And as I said, it's a great way to trade. Now I ended up taking the trade, it's around 11:30. Let's see where I got in at on the Euro Dollar right here. Took the trade rate at this cursor and I was just aiming for not too many pips, but to get near the bottom down here. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, looks like with about 11 pips. The meter was also suggesting it was going to give me some more pips, and those 11 pips paid $1,130. Remember, you don't have to get 50 to 100 pips, but once you get good at trading and you have mostly winners, if you can get 10 or 20 pips and do anywhere from 2 to 5 trades a day, you'll have great results, which is what I normally aim for every time I trade. Now when I took the Euro Dollar, I took a quick look at the Pound Dollar. It looked quite similar to some degree. Now I don't mean like a great way to trade, but I was very far away from the goal line and I was getting signals down here to sell. And I knew it was going to go back to around the goal line. And that's why I took the trade, got the trigger in here, pulled the trigger a little bit slow, but I did take the trade at this point. Only went against me 4 pips, and I closed it out here. As you can see, it still might give me some more pips, but it's running later on in the day, and I want to wrap up this video and shut things down. And this one here, that's 13 pips, and 13 pips on the Pound Dollar paid $1,320. Now remember, what I usually like to do, if I do the Euro Dollar, I always take a look at the Pound Dollar, and they're correlated. In other words, if one is going to go down, there's a good possibility that the other one will be going down also. So as long as I got signals, as I said, which I did get signals, I teach exactly how to trade. This is trading the pullback, and it looks like it broke through the goal line, and it still has a chance of going further down. But as I said, it's running late in the day, and just want to close the trade and call it a day. So let's move on to the Euro Aussie and see what's happening on that one. Here's the Euro Aussie. Let's just drag and drop. It's another one that I sold. Now this is another good example of a great way to trade. It's the way I trade at least 9 out of 10 trades with a lot of success. I was getting triggers right here on this candle to sell. Should have got in a little bit higher up, but not a big deal. It went exactly as I expected. down, and after I saw it bouncing around here for a while, I knew it wasn't going to go any further, so I closed out the trade with 28 pips, and 28 pips on the Euro Aussie paid $2,023. So another 3 trades, all successful. Number of pips I got was 52. I'm always very happy if I can get 50 or more pips in a trading day. So now those 52 pips ended up with $4,473. So if your system is not producing successful trades such as my master trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. To do so, all you have to do is look right below this video down here and you'll see this write-up. It's my master trigger system that I do charge $250 for. It has well over, I think it's around 3.8 gigabytes of training, as I've added 2 more videos. Started off with 36, then I got 40, and I just did 2 more. I'll get to the 2 more videos, show you that in a moment. You'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 8 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Would not trade without it, as the meter helps me a lot to decide which trades I should be taking. Now there's a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, which will give you a lot of training and education on how to trade the markets. As I said, there's a lot of ways to trade here, so I teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. Now my number 1 way of trading is a great way to trade. You're looking at it right here, perfect example of it. Now I'm going to show you why all my trigger systems are good. What makes this one a bit better is these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. In each and every video, I show a lot and give a lot of advanced trading tips. Now this one right here, this is new. How to get near perfect timing entries. These are the 2 newest ones. How to stay in the trade for more pips. How to trade at the right hand edge, and how to trade higher time frames. So I go into really great detail teaching this. This is this right here. Matter of fact, how to get near perfect timing entries. Have you ever wanted to pull the trigger? I teach exactly anywhere on this candle right here would have been perfect timing. Because as you can see, take the trade anywhere, and it just went straight down. So that's what I would label as perfect timing. How many times have you taken a trade and 30-40 minutes later you're down 30-40 pips? In other words, you got the timing wrong. So this here is saying to sell, but selling here is the wrong area, obviously. Those 5 subjects right here is what makes it really worth a lot more than $250. I also did a couple of videos on great trade setups. I teach how to backtest the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market. I teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close. Also teach how to trade pullbacks. So from here up to the goal line, that's a pullback. And then of course at this point could have taken a trade and grab another 20 to 25 pips. You could have grabbed more on the way back down. And of course if it breaks through the goal line and keeps going up, then that is a reversal. Now I teach how to trade right around the goal line, anywhere in this area and this area. There are many trades to be had. And also teach how to trade the news. Most difficult. Recommend you start learn and master a great way to trade before you would try to do the news or how to trade with a day job. They're doable, but much more difficult. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I actually answer the phone unless I'm busy talking to a trader. And of course, you live too far, here's my email. Remember, there's an underscore here, Forex underscore. That's my email address. I do prefer Skype. All you got to do is click on this link right here. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a session, which will probably last about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you may have for me. So that just about wraps up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and don't forget to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.